Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to diagnose and reset a check engine light. So in modern cars, whenever there's an issue with the vehicle's subsystems, a warning light will appear in your dash, and to read and diagnose that code, you'll need a OBD scanner like this. Okay, now we'll need to locate the OBD port in your car. It's usually on the driver's side under the steering column. It's right here, the purple port there. Okay, I'm gonna connect my scanner to the port. Okay, once my scanner is connected to the car, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the car on. Okay, now we'll go ahead and scan the car. Okay, one code found. Okay, enter the code. Enter again. So the engine check light that I have there, it's code P0456, which is evaporative emission system leak detected. So somewhere in my subsystems there's a leak, there's a vacuum leak. That's what this code is for. So okay, scroll. Now I'm going to go ahead and erase the code. Yes. Okay. Now as you can see, my check engine light is erased. Thanks for watching everyone.